The AODK L-shaped desk offers exceptional storage solutions with its 4 spacious drawers and 2 sturdy iron hooks, ensuring an organized and clutter-free workspace. Equipped with a built-in power outlet featuring 3 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, this desk provides seamless device charging for both gaming and work sessions. The reversible design with a host stand allows for flexible placement and frees up valuable space under the desk, making it ideal for various users, including craftsmen and remote workers. Constructed with durable waterproof desk boards and a strong iron frame, this desk promises longevity and stability, even with regular use. The assembly process of the AODK desk is straightforward, thanks to the included toolkit and clear instructions, ensuring a hassle-free setup experience. AODK provides excellent after-sales support, with a professional team ready to address any concerns within 24 hours, prioritizing customer satisfaction.